If you've been scrolling TikTok or browsing Amazon lately, you've probably seen a sleek little tube of toothpaste called CEELIKE, sometimes labeled CEELIKE or Seek, depending on where you find it. It's being hyped as the next big thing in dental care. And today, we're breaking down whether it's a legit innovation or just another over-marketed product riding the viral wave. So here's what CEELIKE claims: fluoride-free, cucumber flavor, modern aesthetic, and most importantly, 7.5% nano hydroxyapatite. If you've never heard of that ingredient, it's basically a mineral that mimics the natural structure of your enamel. Real research does show hydroxyapatite can help with things like sensitivity and mild enamel repair. So far, so good. But this is where things get interesting. A lot of the marketing leans into this dramatic backstory about the formula being developed for astronauts. Sounds sci-fi and high-tech, right? The only problem is there's zero real evidence that NASA or any space program ever had anything to do with it. It feels more like a flashy marketing hook than anything grounded in reality. Another big selling point is that it's fluoride-free. And look, if you prefer fluoride-free products, that's your choice. But it's important to know that fluoride is backed by decades of research from trusted health organizations like the ADA and WHO. It's safe, effective, and proven to prevent cavities. Calling it a harsh chemical is more buzzword than science. CEELIKE doesn't provide strong clinical studies showing it performs as well as fluoride, or better. Then there's the question of where the product actually comes from. When you look deeper, you'll find nearly identical tubes on wholesale sites like Alibaba for just a few dollars each. That suggests CEELIKE may simply be a private labeled, drop-shipped product, rebranded and marked up to $12 to $16 on Amazon. That isn't automatically bad, but it does raise transparency issues. Even the reviews seem split. Some sound a little too perfect, almost scripted. Others complain about low quality or super long shipping times, hinting at overseas fulfillment. So the customer experience is definitely inconsistent. Now, to be fair, hydroxyapatite is a legit ingredient. It's not snake oil. If you try the toothpaste, it's not like your teeth will melt off. But the product isn't the miracle it's being advertised as. And the hype is definitely louder than the evidence. So is CEELIKE a scam? Not exactly. But is it some groundbreaking astronaut-engineered breakthrough? Also, no. It's more like a generic toothpaste packaged to look premium, with marketing that does a lot of heavy lifting. If you're considering switching, do a little research, talk to your dentist, and don't ditch proven fluoride products unless you have a good reason. Trendy packaging shouldn't be the thing that decides your oral health. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, stay subscribed for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.